Hi again and welcome back to Accordion Joy. I'm Nicola and today we are taking your right hand skills to the next level. In this lesson we'll learn how to play simple melodies using the C major scale, practice maintaining consistent pressure on the keys and finish with a fun play along exercise. Let's make some music together. Alright, so now that you're familiar with the C major scale, it's time to use it to play simple melodies. Let's start with something classic. Mary Had a Little Lamb. Alright, let me give you an explanation of how you can play this. The notes that I played here are E, D, C, D, E, D, G, G. Alright, so that's the song, and the fingering is 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 3, 5, 5. And let's do it again. Take it slow at first, focus on hitting the right notes with the correct fingers. Don't worry about speed, that will come with practice. So let's do it again in very slow tempo without saying the notes and finger numbers. And again. As you play, one of the most important things is to focus on the maintaining consistent pressure on the keys. This ensures that your notes sound even and clear. So, tip 1, imagine you are pressing the keys like typing on a keyboard, firm but not forceful. Tip 2, keep your fingers close to the keys to avoid sudden uneven sound. Tip 3, practice playing Mary Had a Little Lamb slowly and listen carefully for even volume and tone. So, example of inconsistent and uneven tone would be you get this inconsistent tone especially if you disturb the bellows. So focus that the bellows are open evenly and closed evenly also in a steady way, that the accordion stands or stands on your left leg, and this will be a good example of opening and closing and getting this even and consistent sound. So just again, fingers close to the keyboard, not like here, but just keep it down lying on the keyboard, and just play again the Mary Had a Little Lamb slowly. And focus that the bellow opens consistently. As you noticed, I keep my all 5 fingers, like from C to G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I just keep them down, and if I need to press, if I need to play the G, I just put the 5th finger down. If I need to play D, I put the 2nd finger down, 3rd finger for the E, and that's it. So I don't jump or think too much. I just put the fingers down, and again, the position of the hand. The position of the hand should be like you are holding an apple, so not flat fingers, not also too firm, but a little bit curved, and the same way you put it down on the keyboard, like you are holding a small apple, for example. You've done an amazing job so far. Now it's your turn to explore. Take the melodies we practiced today and try playing them on your own. Start slow, focus on consistency, and enjoy the process. Here is a challenge for you. Try creating your own simple melody using the C major scale. Use the finger numbers we've learned and see what you come up with. There are no wrong notes. Just have fun. Today, you have learned how to play simple melodies, mastered consistent key pressure, and explored the joy of independent practice. Keep up the great work. I'll see you in the next lesson.